Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your DRM from Kindle book. So this is very important before you move further, and I have explained each and everything, right? So make sure you follow till the end. So these days the vast majority of the Kindle books are sold have DRM protection. So you have to first of all remove it, right? So to check it, you will get this here, go to the product details and search for here, and this is there should be unlimited, right? Now, the next thing is removing Kindle DRM with Caliber. So what you have to do it, you have to just go to Google and search for caliberebook.com/download, and you will be redirected here, download Caliber. Right, the easiest way to remove DRM from a Kindle book is basically the Caliber. You have to select the operating system you have. For me, it's Windows. If you have Mac, you can just go there. Now here you have to select here download Caliber 64-bit, and once I click here it will get downloaded in my laptop or PC. Now the next step is basically remove Kindle DRM with Caliber and Kindle e-reader. So this is the second option. The fastest and easiest way to remove Kindle DRM is by using a DRM Caliber plugin and the serial number of Kindle device. So how to download it? Basically, you can download and install the DRM plugin from the GitHub, right? So here you can see that this is a link. Let me just copy this link, and by the way, if you just go to GitHub and if you search for is this name and DRM tool, you will get this. Now let me take you Google and I will just show you the exact link. So this is the exact link. You can just copy this out. The next step is find your Kindle serial number, unlock your Kindle and navigate to the settings menu. Let me show you. So basically, yeah, navigate to the settings menu by tapping the three dots in the top right hand corner of the selecting settings. Tap device option or device info. That should bring up the panel displaying your Kindle serial number. Write it down without spaces. So as you can see here on the screenshot I have gave. Now the next step is configure the DRM plugin. In the same plugin windows, as a second step, expand this section called the file type and find the entry in the list for the DRM. Select it and click on customize plugin. Select e-ink Kindle ebook and then click the green plus icon. As you can see here, I have mentioned each and everything on the picture. After that, add your book to Caliber. So what you have to do, as you can see here, you have to click on install here. Now the next step is, as I told you, add your book to Caliber. With everything set up, right, all you need to do is add the Kindle book that you downloaded from Amazon to your Caliber library. If you configured it correctly, the ebook DRM removal will happen automatically. So here I have mentioned each and every step that how you can remove DRM from the Kindle book. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.